This is wholemeal bread with scrambled egg. For breakfast, this is the ingredient for the meal: 4 slices of wholemeal bread, 4 notes of egg, 5 grams of black pepper and salt, and 100 grams of mixed salad. First, we will start with putting the black pepper and salt into the eggs. Use a fork and mix them together. You have to mix them until they blend well with each other. Then heat the pan, put in the olive oil, drizzle the olive oil onto the pan, wait for a little bit for them to be hot. Then add the mixed eggs into the pan.
Okay, now stir the egg until it becomes an scrambled egg. Okay, after that, put 2 slices of bread into the toaster and wait a few seconds. And then remove and place 2 more slices of bread. Take a slice of toasted bread and place the vegetables. Next, put the scrambled egg that has been cooked and put a slice of bread on the scrambled egg, and we make another one. After that, we cut into triangle shape so that it is easy to eat for. Then it's done. Enjoy your meal.
Today we are going to make brown rice with chicken tom yum. So the first thing you need is 1 nose lemongrass, 1 tomato cut into 4, some 1 inch galangal, some carrot, 1 nose whole onion, 2 pieces of bird eye chili, some coriander leaf, 300 gram chicken breast that have been cut into dice, 600 ml of plain water, and some Himalaya salt to taste. So the first thing is pour some 600 ml of plain water into a pot and then heat it up. And after that, we put some 1 nose of lemongrass, 1 inch of galangal, we wait until the water is start to boiling. after the water starts to boiling, we put some carrots into a pot. Then we wait.
And now, add in onion and dried chilies and keep stir. And then add in chicken. After that, keep stir and let it boil until the chicken is fully cooked. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Add in tomatoes and let it boil for a moment. And finally, add in coriander leaves. Okay, now this is the fact about brown rice and white rice. Both share same amount of calories, but brown rice has higher glycemic index than white rice. As a result, it will make you feel full longer. This is good for someone who wants to lose weight.
Kampung fried barley. This is the ingredients for kampung fried barley. First, we have barley, baby spinach, egg, chicken breast cut into cube, sliced garlic, red eye chili, and salt. First, heat the oil, then add the sliced garlic. Saute until fragrant. After that, add red eye chili, stir well. Then add the eggs. Stir well. And add the chicken that has been cut into cubes. Stir until the chicken is cooked.
Next, we add 200 grams of barley. This barley need to be boiled until softened or al dente and strain it. Let the barley strain about 20 to 30 minutes to make sure all the liquid from the barley are fully strained. We want to avoid from the barley to be soggy. Stir until the mixture is well combined. Don't forget to add some salt to season to taste. Next, add 150 grams of baby spinach. You can replace it with water spinach or any types of vegetables. Stir until all the mixture is well combined. It's done! This recipe might sound weird, but don't worry, the taste is almost same as fried rice but more chewy because of the texture. You can add boiled egg, sunny side up or chicken grill for extra protein. Don't forget to try!